Hey everyone, Taylor here with Neville Motors, taking you for a walk around this 2017 Chevy Impala. This one is a premier front-wheel drive with some gorgeous rims on it. This one's seen here in jet black with a gray interior, Mosaic black, so it's got a bit of a sparkle to it, which is just gorgeous out in the sun if you see it. Impala is really known for being a super comfortable car, one of the longest running names here in Chevy's lineup. Close that. It's got the 3.6 liter V6 in it. Take you inside. This one's equipped with all sorts of different features. Let me just start it up. It's gonna have your lane keep assist right here. All your nice door controls. Heated steering wheel, collision avoidance. Also has Wi-Fi built in. I don't know if it'll pick up on the camera here, but actually it'll also show you the speed limit of what you're going. Nice thing about this model is it does have built-in navigation as well as projection right there. That's so that if you would like to mirror your phone screen with the maps or any other fun features or apps that you have, like Spotify or a few other ones, you can connect right there and mirror your phone screen on there. Also show you the weather. Again, this one has navigation built in. There we go down here, dual zone climate. Go a little bit lower. There we go. It's got heated and cooled seats. Today for us, it's 90 degrees here, so definitely a day that we need that. Up top, you'll see it does have, come on, focus. There it goes. This does have memory for your garage door, so you don't have to have any clickers or anything right on there. Also, memory seats right up there. Stereo. All right, looking in the back, one of the most comfortable vehicles you'll probably get into here at Neville's. We do have the full seats here. That center armrest does pull down. The rear passengers also will enjoy the air vents back here, as well as a household 120 volt outlet. If you or anyone you know is in a Chevy Impala, feel free to give us a shout at 715-256-2900 or check out the link below or one of our other videos on YouTube. Thanks.